The People chart is the first thing you see when you arrive in your Current Culture tab. Like all the chart options, it's available for each of the three culture lenses: work behaviors, work motivators, and ideal work energizers. The People chart shows the most dominant traits for each member of the team. It highlights everyone's strengths when they are expressed in the right situations. You should see each person's picture on the chart in two different places, or their initials for those without a profile photo. You may see someone in more than two spots if their dominant traits are tied. What can you learn about this team's dynamics? Look at how the chart clearly shows those on the left side and those on the right side. For the behaviors lens, the team members on the left side are more stability oriented, and those on the right are more change oriented. Some people bring a mix of both to the team. You can get a short description of a trait by mousing over it. This view should help everyone identify and appreciate the similarities and differences that exist within a team. Let's look at 3 examples of how you can use insights from the People chart to put strengths to work in team meetings. First, let's say someone brings up a problem during a meeting that needs to be solved quickly and decisively. You could determine who on your team has a primary behavioral style of decisive, and then assign them to head up a special task force to determine a solution. Another example might be to make note, to ask your more reflective team members if they have specific thoughts to share. Your outgoing team members may tend to dominate conversations. Let's switch over to the ideal work people chart for our third example. Let's say we just identified a need to understand our competition better, and we wanted to assign a few people to work on a competitive advantage project. You might identify someone who gets energy from working with facts, and then pair them with someone who enjoys proven methods to deliver an insightful, well-executed project. The People chart is your go-to chart to view each team member's primary behaviors, motivators, and ideal work energizers. Use it to have more productive meetings and to ensure everyone is aligned to the right work.